Hello everyone, my name is Bethlehem Ababa. I'm currently a junior at UConn studying structural biology and biophysics and pursuing minors in both molecular cell biology and computer science. I've been working with Dr. Todd Campbell, the department head of curriculum and instruction at the School of Education, for 3 years. My project contributions have ranged from the development of curriculum-based learning techniques to what I'll be speaking about today, the impact intergenerational groupings can have on the trajectory of project-based learning. To achieve our goal of understanding STEM positioning and identity, we created and observed 2 groups that were composed of intergenerational members to participate in a conservation and geospatial technology workshop. Due to this structure, we now have a deeper understanding of how intergenerational teams position themselves with their partners to complete proposed projects. This observation of the interaction between teens and adults allowed for the structural support of the conclusions drawn regarding the impacts a dynamic partnership can yield. For example, the potential identity authoring and positioning that may arise in certain situations given an individual's previous educational knowledge. The goal of this project is to draw connections based on the interactions within an intergenerational group. We primarily focus on displayed identity authoring and positioning. This observation serves research and education due to the potential benefits that may arise following the deviation from social hierarchical positioning regarding adults and teens in learning environments. We designed our research study to properly be able to address all aspects of our research question, which is, how does positioning afford or potentially constrain competence, performance, and recognition as intergenerational learners partner to engage in community projects? Through the creation of a team composed of 1 adult and 1 teen, digital collection that transpired over the course of 10 months, and the construction of a coding system to identify positioning and identity authoring episodes, we were able to develop themes derived from narratives to answer our question. In conclusion, our study shows the importance of studying dynamic group settings to understand the influence societal positioning can have on the identity authorship of each individual involved in a learning environment. For example, the power constructs that can be tied to the automatic positioning within a group, in turn affecting the progression of project-based learning. Some next steps that can be taken with this research following its upcoming publication are insights to produce further studies that examine alternate intergenerational team arrangements. Working on this project opened my eyes to the influence variables such as group member composition can have on the trajectory of comprehensive education, specifically in project-based learning. I was able to gain experience in qualitative research, which allowed for the development of a new set of skills such as critical thinking, interpretive data agreement, and teamwork. I would like to end this presentation by extending gratitude to my amazing mentor, Dr. Todd Campbell, for his immense amount of support to my development as a researcher over the years. I would also like to thank all of our collaborators who made the completion of this project possible, as well as our sponsors and supporters at NSF, the Department of Natural Resources and Environment, UConn Center for Land Use Education and Research, and of course the UConn School of Education. Thank you.